are going to make bubbles.
Wow!
I know, and we are going to hear a story about Jesus healing a man.
That's really cool!
But before we do any of that, we have something really exciting to do. Can you remember what it is?
What's that? What's that? We are going to announce the winner to our competition!
You're absolutely right. Now, would you like to announce it, Ruth, or shall I? Go on then.
Drum roll! The winner is Rachel!
Well done, Rachel!
We loved all the different material that you used to make your amazing hedgehog, and we're going to show you a picture of it right now.
That's so good!
It is, isn't it? It's so cool. There will be a prize on its way to you, Rachel. Well done. Keep looking out for the next competition. It's getting really hard to choose from our entries, isn't it, Ruth?
Really hard! They're all so good!
Now we know how difficult it was for Bertie and Wilfie to choose last time.
Yeah.
Right, we are going to make bubbles next. Now, I started this thinking that it was a direct science, but I learnt from the boys very quickly that actually whatever you put in, it sort of works anyway. So what you're going to need is some washing up liquid, and you need some water, and you need this. It's called glycerine, okay? And you are going to put the soap, the glycerine and the water into a bowl and make sure that you mix it up. We're going to put the recipe in the down below, so check it out, but give this a go. It's so much fun. And the other thing we've done, Ruth, is we have made our own bubble wands.
Wow!
I know.
Bubbles!
So this is the one that worked the best, and this is made out of a wire coat hanger, and I'm going to show you how to make that one. And then, Ruth, we made one out of a bottle, didn't we? But we have to really be careful. Ruth, you're going to help me here. You have to breathe in and blow. And the bubble will come out of the end, but what you don't want to do is get it in your mouth, do we? That is not very good. And then the other one I have done is, this is a wand that I have made myself as well, that was a stick from the garden, Ruth. So we've got a stick from the garden, and then I have a little bit of wire that I have glued to the top of my stick, and that one worked quite well too, didn't it?
Yeah!
Now, we are using whatever we've got at home, but if you have a pipe cleaner at home, then that is the perfect thing to stick on the top of your stick, okay? And you can dip it in your bubbles and watch them fly around. includes bubbles. How cool is that?
So cool!
Okay, it is from John 5, chapter 1 to 17. So here we go. In a big city called Jerusalem, there was a special pool. Lots of people who were ill, who could not see or could not walk, lay near the edge of the pool and waited. They thought that whenever the water started to bubble, the first person to get into the pool was made well again.
Wow!
So every day they waited and waited and waited and watched the water really carefully for the bubbles. One day Jesus went to the pool. He saw a man who had been ill for a long time.
No way!
The man could not walk or wave his arms or wiggle his toes.
Oh no!
Do you want to be healed? Jesus asked him. Of course I do, answered the man, but I don't have anyone to help me get into the pool when the water bubbles. So someone else always gets there first. Then Jesus told him, pick up your mat and walk. And guess what, Ruth?
What?
The man did.
Whoa! No way!
Isn't that amazing?
That is amazing!
What a cool story.
So cool!
God is so powerful, isn't he? And
Yeah!
And Jesus, God's Son, has come down and done these amazing things.
Really cool!
I love hearing these stories, do you?
Me too!
Guys, thank you so much for watching. We have had so much fun, haven't we,
So
Ruth?
much fun!
Please do send in the things you are doing at home. We really love to see it. We know some of you are now back at school. How are you finding it? Email us and let us know how it's going. We love hearing from you, don't we, Ruth?
We sure do!
And if you make bubble wands or bubble mixture, we'd love to see your creations, so send them in.
Yes, please!
Apart from that, we will see you next week. Bye!